Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2016 Jeep Cherokee. This is a sport trim level. It does have the upgraded alloy wheels. It is deep cherry red in color. It does have the tow pack on from the factory. It also has the backup camera and the dual exhaust. Roof racks. This vehicle is also a V6. It has a 3.2 V6 in it. It has manual seats and it's fabric two-tone gray with black. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, AM/FM satellite radio. There's your air conditioning controls, USB ports, automatic transmission. This vehicle only has 9,000 miles on it. One owner, clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle. And if you'd like pricing and more information, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. This is a very nice vehicle and you'll only find it at Firkins.